Hi good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nzula with an H, Nzula Munyao. If you see me in this hat, just know it's farm o'clock. So guys, right now I'm leaving home with my brother. I will have to go with my brother because he drives faster than me and we are running out of time. We are supposed to go and pick pixies from Calro Thika and then take them all the way to our other farm and also check on the progress of the avocado has variety that we planted. Since they were planted, I've never been to the farm. I've been so busy. So today we are going to check on the progress of those 70 seedlings of avocado has a variety that were planted. I'm waiting for my brother to finish changing so that we can go. I might drive on our way back because I'm a slow driver, so my brother is the one who is going to be driving for now. Remember to subscribe, leave me a like and a comment on what you think about today's video. We are road to 2,000 subscribers. Kindly guys, get me there by the end of this month, okay? So I'm waiting on him to finish up dressing so that we can go. He had other errands that he was running during the day and I had to wait for him a little bit. So I hope we make it to Calro in time. We pick our pixies and also we get to the farm also in time, okay? Yeah. It still hasn't rained yet, but I'm crossing my fingers and I'm hoping that by next week a time like this kutakuwa kushanyesha. Yeah. See you once we start the journey. Guys, we just fueled. Our windscreen is being washed and then we continue with the journey. Umeweka matawi wapi? Guys, today vehicles have a branch, yeah, just to signify that we are mourning Raila Amolo Odinga. That's me there, yeah. So guys, here are the pixie seedlings that we are picking today. Let me just show you. So it's already grafted, as you can see. These are 30 pieces that we are going to be planting where we planted the Hass variety of avocados. Yes, so this is how they look like. They are already grafted. Look when I came grafted. Yeah. This should be 30 in number. So we are going to be loading them in our vehicle. That's my brother. You didn't see me, was getting ready. That's my brother Mike. So guys, we are loading our pixies in the vehicle. Yeah, they should be on the ground from tomorrow. From tomorrow. So this is how they look. I've been told it's better when you take them when they are this size because they'll adapt to the new environment quicker compared to the bigger ones. Yeah. This is just a nursery. These are avocados. So guys, we have already arrived at the shamba. Ilobi nombo pokote kuomboleza baba. So guys, we are taking the seedlings off the boot so that I can also go see the avocados. When the avocados were being planted, I was not in the area, so I wanted to check them out. Yeah. So guys, we are going down the farm where we planted the avocado seedlings. It's been, I think, almost 3 weeks since they were planted. Yeah, 3 weeks to almost 4 weeks. So that's where we are going. And we also raised the water tank to a tower that will be supplying water to the poultry house. I'll also show you that briefly. Yeah, because we are chasing the light. Those who are new in my channel, this is my poultry farm. Yeah. So that is the poultry house. We erected a fence around it so that people will not be going near there. I see they have not yet dug the footbath, but it will be dug. So guys, that is the water tower. That is the tank that will be supplying water to the poultry house. Yeah. That is our neighbor's farm. He's a serious farmer. You see, I can't wait for my mango trees to look like those ones. So we are going down the farm. This is Yata Plateau. The good thing with here, we have water, so things can thrive easily by irrigating. So the holes were starting from this point here. Need to check. These cassava. The holes were starting from here. Yeah. I don't know, he started planting from, I think, uko chini. So now you just see this one is just mbolea, manure. So I think he started from down there because of the proximity to the water, because of watering. So guys, we are approaching another part of the shamba. This is like a fruit vegetable section. Here we have bananas, pawpaw, cassava, name them. And we also have sweet potatoes. Looking for Musembi. I don't know where he is, but he should be somewhere. So this is our water. We irrigate using these pipes. The good thing with this part of the shamba, we can do irrigation, so we can do serious farming here. You see, we have pawpaws. This one is ready. Sijui analima nini, but I've been, you see, he has so this is the lower part of the shamba. These are our eggplants. They are not doing so well at the moment. I'm still looking for where the nini were planted. We have firewood here. When you clear land here in Africa, you use the wood as firewood. So I see most of the holes have manure. I want to see where he planted the avocados. I think it's on the lower part. So I'm telling my brother, this part used to be a bush. It just got cleared recently. So here are our avocados. I think this one he's still planting some because hii ikaini kama imepandwa. Hii bado. I think he wants to replace this one, but hii haijakauka, ni ile tu kunini inaitwa nini, kuchange matawi. So guys, this is how now the avocados look like at the moment. They are shedding the leaves. You see, like this one, it had leaves. They are shedding. It's because they are adapting now to the new environment. This is another one. So going straight with this line, we have Hass avocado, and some of them they have taken adaptation serious. You see this one, it is drying completely, not the stem, but the leaves are shedding. Even this next one here, you see. Let's see. Ai my kote si umeti maru wonde pio. Siele umyeu.
Kitendo mai. Lakini choma kwa unyibi.
So I'm asking my brother if this is how they should be. I'll be calling the agronomist to come and have a look. You see, the leaves are drying. The leaves are drying, but the good thing is the stems look green. They still look healthy. But I think this one, it's now like drying. Hii ni kama inakauka Mike. This one. Ka? So unaona kama iko healthy. This one looks pretty well. It looks really good. Jua soma fuete wana maelo litoba.
Kama replace wenazo.
Kana laini ungi.
Nakuwa mumeuma.
Na hiyo fuete. So guys, we are going to go down. We also look at how the the other avocados are doing. We had bought 70. I don't know how many have been put on the ground so far, because I'm only seeing this line. Let me look for Musembi. I think he's down there where we get our water from. So I don't think there's anything planted here. There is nothing planted here, but all the holes have manure. But here it seems like there was an avocado. Or was there anything? No, there wasn't. There wasn't. So I think we're going to go down, and then we will be able to see how many. Line long no yabaya. Kwa wa ba katikati no lichofuete no wo. Tiwa. So guys, we just cleared this part of the land recently. I think here they had burnt some charcoal. So this middle line we will have fuete. Yeah, I see. Now this ones they are doing good. Mike, unaona hizi za hii side zinakaa poa? Hizi hazisikii jua. These ones look better. Way much better. They look really good. They look fine. Peke ndio. Unaona nataka hii imekauka. This one is dry. Ama? I think guys this one is dry. So some have dried. Some they are not dry. We really don't know what's happening. You see like this one. Hey Musembi. Tiende govika. Ndio na baka tebela ini otiete. Oh, mutie baka te? Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh. Na itonende tu itonavika. Na yo bandete ibakato siana. Get it here.
But yeah, 7.
Brother, oh.
Long.
Steve.
Hello.
So guys, I will also be planting an avocado tree today. See, we harvested firewood from clearing the land around this place. Also doing a farm tour for my brother. It's his first time in this farm. He hasn't been to this area, so I want to show him where we get our water. This is our neighbor and he's doing serious farming. He has avocados, and at the far end there he has a CCTV. Mike, unaiona? So we get water from down here. So our land reaches here, and this is just the riparian land part where you see the bush. So here you just invest in pipes, and you can also utilize your riparian land like this one. But it's always good to leave that. Kenita Musembi. Kiroma. Kowolo. So this is where we get our water from. Here. This is where we get our water from. It's all season. It's all year. It's not like it's seasonal. Maana Mike iko karibu. Oh, and he hasn't said hi. Wana yake inge kegoju. Ni mob sana. Let my brother say hi. He didn't say hi. How do you see the shamba here?
Not bad.
It's good, eh? Yeah. You can do farming here. Serious farming. You just invest in pipes. just means to pump the water up and you will have all season. Okay. You just invest in water pipes and you can irrigate your crops. So that's our neighbor's riparian part. He has utilized it with some bananas. Ours is just bushes. So I want to plant one avocado tree because when Musembi was planting, I was not around. So I want to plant, and after I plant, I end the video there. So guys, I think I have shown you our farm tour. Some of you are requesting for farm tour. Yeah, and I think this is a good farm tour. Guys, these are our eggplants. They are spoiled. These are onions. Musembi, situpande hoho. Guys, let me show you our eggplant. This is terere. It's a kienyeji green. This is eggplant. So we want to harvest some sukuma wiki. This is irrigated maize. Want to get some sukuma wiki. So this is the section where we have sukuma wiki. Na zinakaa vizuri. Zinakaa vizuri sana. Na sienda ndawa ye baba ya. Ya yuma thuku meikara kana wikite kana amota bo. Hizo hoho zimeharibika. Kana nini Okay. Mike, si ukozo ni record ni chune sukuma. Ni record ni chune sukuma, nimsaidie kuchuna. Ko baba na live. Line is yonge wina dati. Oya windi. Alafu hapa na yulu ni maingi. Mpenzi de maima 92. Natwali de maima. We are harvesting sukuma wiki. Sukuma ziva. Baadhi yetu nini? Na yetu nini? Mbona misia nini mtoke? Kuma na umakone na sukuma siana. Sukuma ile. Ni sukuma ile. Sukuma ile ndima. Kote kutoka. Mambo kama noko. Kwa ile ya hoho na kitu. Ndio mwa kitu kitunguu. Ndio kwa kitunguu. Sai kwa sasa. Ndio no siana naona ukatido. Vitu gulani ya mchicha bayo. Zila bayo nondo andaka. So guys, we have harvested this bunch. We're also going to mix with other kienyeji type of vegetables. Nai? Yeah. Kaka, tena, nuke siko na dawa. Avocado. Si nimena dawa.
La ina bubia. Kana nondo diusia.
Mike ndio hii has. Umeona?
La pega.
Oh, yeah. Because you're still doing a farm tour. So we are mixing with some chicha. Terare. Farming shenanigans. Let me take us what is it called? A thumbnail. Guys, we have hohos. Let me show you. This is hoho. Musembi, hebu watu waone hiyo umeshika venye ni kubwa. Guys, look at that. Look at the size of that hoho. Yay! Hakuna ingine kubwa.
Mbona ziko?
Wapi?
Hapo mbele yako. Mali na point. Mali na point.
Hapa?
Au nyuma yako sasa. Nyuma hapo tu.
Hapa
ile ulikuwa umeshika.
Hii. Oh, hii.
Oh. Na hapo mbele.
Hii hata Guys, imagine I'm seeing hohos now. I didn't know like they had matured. I didn't know they had matured. Nataka kwenda kupanda ile mti. They are bigger ones on that side. Musembi is telling me to. Guys. Hii ni kubwa. Aya. Mbona sikuwa naziona? Kuna ingine? Unajua hazionekani, zinajificha. Mtachuna aje na hivi. Nimeshika. Let me try and tuna this one. Here it is, guys.
Mwine batasi. Ona ndi tu saa ta ina ngafura inga yangima. Hai.
Kwa hiyo ina kasa makaso kecha umbeni. Keta mangala.
Ni saa mono. Yangusha.
Mike, unapaswa kuwa unanirecord, sipaswa kuwa nang'ang'ana na simu. I'm telling you, you should be the one recording me so that I can harvest organic food. Eso es nandulo.
Yesi umyebao noyo. Inakaa nini?
Hoho inakuanga tamu. Kwanza ukiweka nyama.
Nyama.
Hey, wacha tu.
Atali tu bana.
Shimo za ndizi tunataka kama ngapi? Ndio ni organize.
15.
15?
10.
10? Ama kisiti wo?
Ama kisiti. Kana kuange tuongeleangi mambo mambo.
Sawa.
Bado ati okisiti.
Ma kisiti asumasa. Ama hiyo. So guys, I'm telling Musembi we need to add the banana hulls, but we want the Kisii breed. So we will be getting like 10 of them.
Wendo banda kipakado kimoi.
Na chacha kuomba ni wala na banda.
Sawa. Lembe nika. Pamba tu.
So guys, we want to look sweet potatoes. Those who don't know how sweet potato is harvested, so it grows like this, and then you chimba, and then here comes out sweet potato. So I'm going to plant my avocado. Yeah. I'm requested for a place where it can be very flexible. In Julali Panda.
Yeah.
Pomodi.
Naona hata yeye. Kidogo.
Sasa kama naona chete baya ndio.
Au
Katoma.
katika doma. Ona huyu. Kana kama
This is pawpaw. I'm a papaya. Depends on what you want to do.
Nani si ada ande.
How do you get the water?
Nani si ada ande. Nani apa ina na jua inde. Ya bana. No ni bana.
So kila siku nikikuja huko ya kwanza naangalia avocado yangu. Akina venye nilipea niko mbali na maji. Sautikana. Nibwa. Ndio na mwana kibwa. Hivyo.
Yuko amboni.
Nona ke nini? Nona bula nilie. Madanga.
Utapita hiki hapo wapi?
Stop slowly akuni yai na magazi. So guys, I'm mixing topsoil with manure.
Tote ese. Nda bulani vyo ni sino vye basi. Obo mu bulani wa ilobe vya moto yoki. Imasi tutonne tuna menzi.
Có sao?
Guys, I'm doing this so that water can go down, because you see, like most of these topsoil, they are big soil stones, like mabali. I don't know what to call that in English. Mabali naitwa aje?
Bricks.
They look like bricks. Yeah, they are soil bricks. So I'm trying to make them muddy. I'm trying to make them muddy so that we can napaswa kutoa hii nini? Hii karatasi, si ndio? So guys, this is my avocado tree planted by me. It's just direct to that big tree. So may God help this one to survive.
Simu ya katikati. Tega kalima.
Wana mudwa akitu ikabande mtu usiba. Wana mudwa. Yeah?
Kita higwa kigundu. Konge kuna mama tu na baba na.
We, Mike, hapa kunatoka mchwa. Ndio hizi.
Oh, waike
I'm
gupi.
saying they are termites here. Hey.
Uwe. Obalunde wegendo weka le kuno ndo ambole. Edibi. Wiki wakiumba kwa kwale.
Akoyo ndawa mudho bado. Mwele wa ndawa mudho.
Kumbe unajua tukaumie.
Tukaunye.
I know name.
Ndio hiyo na ila simu. Ni fix.
Kotuna sai banda na twedele suwa nini?
Bua. Mwe sai katakwa.
Dale suwa kwekizu kedu kwa.
Oh.
Imenini vizuri kweli. Ongeze mchanga.
Amini kana nige kiuju.
Guys have planted the hands of a farmer. Mike, unaweza pause kidogo alafu nini?
Ipata pia. Naona ndo
Kibata na nini hiyo?
Naona ndo kesi smart. Bas.
Yes, we just discovered there is a cassava here. Weekend. Emoi. Sarut. Goga, hey.
Ora basia muri waguye.
Yende na mavolone ngamba sila bali sisi.
Bisa. Bisa uma. Kan ngosa.
No mutongi yo. Mutongi.
Mutongi onekana hapo.
Si, nimeoga na nikashika tena. My brother was behind the camera as I was planting, guys. Yes. When you are a farmer, prepare to be dirty. Love the soil. Love the soil. So we are just checking out other avocados. Then we will be on our way back to Nairobi. If Sunkist, let me come back here. If Sunkist was a person, me. Wanda mbona chao? Oh. Umana hata time ya kudhasia.
yucha wabanda chambio shuchu.
Oh. Musembe is telling me how, you know, if your avocado has, you know, started growing, it starts getting other stems. So he's going now to remove the grafting paper there. So now we are going up, and then now we can be on our way back to Nairobi, back to Shamba la Mawe. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me today in the farm. I hope you have enjoyed the farm tour. So guys, I'll see you on the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for clicking to watch my video. I don't take it for granted. I really appreciate. So this is my journey as a farmer. See you on the next vlog, and remember, our Lombo Tov. Bye.